Well, I'm Jess Lopategui, and on that oven that we have here, that was built about 65 years ago, about 100 miles from here, the Columbia Basin, where the Allied livestock had the sheep outfit over there. That's where we used to spend the summer there. So I was there. I came to this country in 1957, 60 years ago, and worked the sheepherder, contract sheepherder for 7 years. And most of them out there, 6 of them out there in Colombia, where the oven was. And so the reason, we had that oven was on the main camp in the summer. There used to be like 9 bands, 9 herders. There would be 3 camp tenders. And the camp tenders had to bake the bread and take the groceries to each sheepherder every 5 days. So that's why the camp tenders that were there before I was, they built this oven over there in 1954 or something like that. 1970s, the sheep business went out. They sold out, they didn't have any more sheep up there. And they weren't using it for many years. And it was deteriorating and it was going. So some of these Basque Club members, they talked to the rancher up there and asked him if they could have it. And well, he told them, well, better get him now because I'm going to clean that whole, ranch out and stir it up. So they did. They went with a big thrower and jack it up and bring it over here and set it over here about 20-some years ago, probably. I don't know exactly what year it was. What I'm doing here now, see, we mixed the dough earlier because if we started now, we wouldn't have time to finish it. So I got the dough ready. Now we are putting it, rice for a couple hours. Now we are going to put it in the Dutch ovens, separated, and then let it rise again, and then we'll put them in the oven. What I'm doing now, putting a little bit of this palm, you can wipe it with a little oil too, so the dough won't stick to it. And we're going to cut separate the dough, make them, 4 equal pieces. See, the way I mixed it earlier, I made 2, enough for 2 on each bowl here. So we'll put them like that, about that much, and put them on each one of them. And then they'll take about an hour or so to rise close to the lid. And that's when we'll get the oven ready and put them in the oven, and then it takes another hour to cook. For this size oven, I use 2 cups of pretty hot water and half a cup of vegetable oil, and mix it. And then the ingredients that go on it will be 1 little package of yeast and a couple tablespoons of sugar, another little tablespoon of salt, and that's it. I mix it all together, and then did the flour and keep on mixing. Put about half of the, not even half, maybe quarter of it, and gotta stir it up really good. Get it all good mixed, and then keep adding flour until you get it to the consistency you wanna be. And then let it rise, and then once they rise, then knock them down again. This is the second time I have already mixed it. So now we'll wait for about an hour. Get the fire ready. The oven is already burning, and so hopefully we'll have bread by around 3 o'clock. It's spelled with break on the inside. Mm-hmm. And then later on, because the break tend to crack, they put the plaster. It was built with, see, the camp tenders that were there at that time, they found this door. You know, there was a lot of old mines over there, mine buildings and abandoned mines and stuff there in the Columbia Basin. So they found this door from out of a furnace or whatever they got on one of the mines. So that's what they used for the door.
It's a great door.
And what's good, yeah, it's Vance whatever company, it's 1874. It says this thing was made. So, in a little while, I'll pull all the ashes out and everything, and we'll see that bread is rice, close to the lid. But you'll see after a while we check it for the heat with the like Ramon Zugazaga, the Basque Club, and put a piece of the newspaper in there and see if it burns. It's too hot. So now I don't know what that'll be on the degrees. When I bake it at home on oven at home, I bake it at 375. We're putting this grill in there to keep the Dutch oven off the floor. It was like to more even, the air circulates top and bottom. That's all.
Wow.
Okay. Well. Okay, that's your dinner today.